I look forward to the day when I can visit the Makkah of cricket, the Lords, and witness a test match. I'd like my two little girls to study in a school where there is a plethora of subjects from which they can choose. I look forward to vacationing with my family, and I imagine myself lying in a hammock facing the sea in my own tiny little cottage in the Caribbean. Of course, nothing will give me greater pleasure than surprising my wife by walking her into a Cartier showroom in Paris and buying her a pair of earrings. And finally, of course, I'd like to retire early, not intellectually, but from my job, and travel the world and do one thing which I love most: study the history of this planet. Reasonable expectations or very unreasonable? The answer lies in how you manage your personal finance. I'm Jayesh Chakravarthi, and join me in a discussion over the video on the various attributes of personal finance and how to make money work for you. Register now.